Today I'm going to show you how to solve trigonometric equation. Determine exact solutions for the equation in the interval 0 to 2 pi. The equation is sine square x minus 1 over 4 equals to 0. So first we will solve for x. We have sine square x. If I take negative 1 over 4 to the right side, it becomes positive 1 over 4. And the square becomes square root. Whenever we remove the square root, we always put plus and minus. Square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 4 is 2. And we have sine x is equal to plus minus 1 over 2. We know that from special triangles that sine pi over 6 is equal to 1 over 2. The reason is because of special triangles. So what we're going to do is we can place pi over 6 into each quadrant, and we can tell that sine x is equal to plus minus 1 over 2. That means x is pi over 6. However, we have plus and minus. From the cast rule, which is, I'm going to write here, C-A-S-T, I know that the sine is positive in the first and the second quadrant, and sine is negative in the third and the fourth quadrant. So I can write here, sine is positive in quadrant 1 and quadrant 2. Sine is negative in quadrant 3 and quadrant 4. So what I will do is I will place in quadrant 1 and 2, sine x is equal to pi over 2, which means the positive value. And in quadrant 3 and 4, I will put the negative value. As you can see, we have here positive and negative 1 over 2. So let's just do that. So I will start with the first quadrant here. And I will write here pi over 6. I will do the same thing in the second quadrant. I will write here pi over 6. In the third quadrant, again, pi over 6. And in the fourth quadrant, again, we have pi over 6. However, we have to keep in mind in the first and second quadrant, sine is positive, and third and fourth quadrant, sine is negative. So now I know that if I have to find the value of x, the first value of x, we got it from the special triangle. So I can say x1 is equal to pi over 6. The second value of x, which is x2, I can look here. So I have over here, I have pi, because in the second quadrant, we go from pi over 2 to pi. So I will subtract from pi. So pi minus pi over 6, which I can show you all the steps. I will take the LCM first. So the denominator is same now, which is 6. So I can say 6 pi minus pi, which is 5 pi over 6. So that is the second value of x. In order to find out the third value of x, I can show you on the side, which is in the third quadrant. And in the third quadrant, we always add pi. So I can say pi plus pi over 6, which we got it from the special triangle. Again, I will take the LCM. I will multiply this by 6, this by 6. Therefore, I have 6 pi plus pi over 6 equals to 7 pi over 6. That is the third value of x. In order to find out the fourth value of x, I will look onto the fourth quadrant, which is subtracting from 2 pi. So I will do 2 pi minus pi over 6. Again, I'm going to take the LCM. So the LCM is 6. So I will make the denominators equals to 6. 2 pi times 6 will give you 12 pi minus pi over 6. 12 pi minus 1 pi is equal to 11 pi over 6. Therefore, we have the values of x, which is pi over 6, and then we have 5 pi over 6. Then the third value of x is 7 pi over 6, and the fourth value is 11 pi over 6. This is the way how you can find out the value of x when the trigonometric equation is given to you.